Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Nabila Fazal, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. How are you students? Hope you all are fine, healthy and safe at your homes. Welcome to lecture number 4 of Mathematics class 5. But before taking this lecture, make sure to keep your stationery with you. That are a notebook, a pencil and eraser and your Oxford Countdown book 5. Dear students, in your previous lecture, you have learned to write expanded form, ascending and descending order of numbers, predecessor and successor of numbers. And today we are going to learn the addition of bigger numbers. Now students, after taking this lecture, you will be able to add numbers with 7 or 8 digits, add numbers of complexity and arbitrary size and write a given sum in vertical form. यहाँ हम बड़े नंबर्स के अंदर छोटे नंबर जो है वो ऐड करना सीखेंगे लाइक हाउ कैन वी ऐड अ 3 digit and 4 digit number in 7 digit number. So students, to add digits we need to carefully write them in the correct column, which means कि जब आपने दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करने के लिए इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में प्लेस करना है तो आपने उस वक्त इस बात का ख्याल रखना है कि फर्स्ट दोनों नंबर्स की वंस प्लेस पे जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको वंस के कॉलम में और टेंस प्लेस पे जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको टेंस के कॉलम में एंड इसी तरह 100 प्लेस पे जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको 100 के कॉलम्स में रखना है एंड सो ऑन. Here we have an example. We have two 7-digit numbers to add. Now students, we will place these numbers in international place value chart. As you can see, 8 is at unit place, so we will place 8 in the unit column. Now the next digit is 3 and 3 is at tens place, so we will put 3 in the tens column. Now the next digit is 1 and 1 is at 100 place, so we will put 1 in the 100 column. Next digit is 6 and 6 is at 1000 place, so we will put 6 in the 1000 column. Now after putting 6, the next digit is 5 and 5 is at 10,000 place. The next digit is 4 and 4 is at 100,000 place. And the last digit is 2 and 2 is at million place. Now similarly place the second number in the international place value chart. Now after placing both number in international place value chart, we will add them. Now students, one thing that you should be remembered while adding two numbers or three numbers is that we will always start एडिंग फ्रॉम द वंस कॉलम. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपने हमेशा वंस कॉलम से ऐड करना स्टार्ट करना है. डैट मीन्स हमने राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करना है ऐड करना. नाउ हियर वी हैव 8 and 2 in the unit column, so after adding 8 and 2 we will get 10. We will write 0 at unit place and take 1 as carry over tens. Now we will add the tens column. The digits in the 10 columns are 1 and 3 and 5, and after adding 1, 3 and 5 we will get 9 place. Next we will add the digits at in 100 columns. The digits in 100 columns are 1 and 9, which gives us 10, so we write 0 at 100 place and take 1 as carry over 1000. Now we will add the digits in 1000 column. After adding we will get 12. We will write 2 at 1000 place and take 1 carry over 10,000. After adding the digits in 10,000 column, we will get 6. Now we will add the digits in the 100,000 column. Here we have 4 and 6, and after adding 4 and 6 we get 10. Again we will write 0 at 100,000 place and take 1 carry over million column. Now we will add the digits in the million column, and that are 1 plus 2 plus 4, which gives us 7. Now here we get our answer and that is 7,62,90. Now here are some important note for you, that is whenever 0 is added to a number the result remains the same, as 0 means nothing or none. For example, when we add 0 in 30, again we get 30. Now we will solve some question from exercise 1b. Question number 5, write vertically and add. In this question we will add three numbers. Here students, you can see first number is 7-digit number, and the second number is 4-digit number, and the third number is 5-digit number. Now before adding this number, we will place these number in international place value chart in vertical form. Now for placing these number in vertical form, we will write the first number on the top and then the second and third number at the end. Now after placing the numbers in vertical form, we will start adding the digits from unit column. Now the digits in the unit column are 2, 4 and 3, which gives us 9. So we will write 9 at unit place. Now we will add the digits in tens place. Now we will have 3 and 8, and after adding 3 and 8 we get 11. We will write 1 at tens place and take 1 carry over hundreds. Now we will add the digits in the 100 columns. The digits in the 100 columns are 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1, which gives us 12. So we will write 2 at 100 place and take 1 as carry over 1000. Now we will add the digits in 1000 place, which are 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4, which gives us again 12. Now we will write 2 at 1000 place and take 1 and carry over 10,000. Now we will add the digits in 10,000 place. After adding the digits we will get 9. So we will place 9. Now students, you can see clearly under 2 and 6 there is no digit. So we will write 2 and 6 as it is in the answer. So here we will get our answer, and that is 2,692,219. Similarly, by following these tests, part F can be solved. In part F, students, you can see clearly we have three numbers. First number is 8-digit number, second number is 2-digit number, and third number is 5-digit number. We will place all these three numbers in international place value chart as shown here. Now after adding we will get the answer, and the answer is 56,294,723. Now question number 6, write the number which is 5,000 more than 20,045,624, and in second part 12,000 more than 2,695,382. Now students, for finding a number more than another number we will do addition. Now we will put in first part, we will put both number in vertical form and then we will add them, and similarly in the second part we will put both number in vertical form and we will add them, and after adding we will get their answers, and these are 20,500,624, 2,707,382. Now here are some questions for your practice. I hope you understood the lecture. If you want to ask any question, you can comment in the comment section. Take care yourself, and Allah Hafiz till the next video. Thank you very much.